All right, class. We're going to go over the steps for creating your portfolio using Adobe Express. Um, Please follow these instructions. It's very simple, but there's also a lot of ways to create different stuff, which will negatively affect your grade. So, there's important steps I've outlined here, and I'll share these slides with you. Log in with a school account, then use your Google login. Uh, Use the plus icon on the left to create your portfolio. Choose web page and only use your original work. So that's how to get started. Make sure to add a caption for each image. If there's a person in there, include their name. Include information required for each photo in your assignment. Your assignment's going to have instructions for what it needs to be in your caption. Um, so it'll be elements of composition that you need, um, people's names. If there's a person, include their name, and maybe title your image. So once you're done with your portfolio, use the export instructions for Adobe Express. Um, do not invite me. That'll be clear in a little bit. Credit the photography to yourself, and you're going to use the URL submission in Canvas. Doing other things might result in a zero for your end of semester grade, especially copying the link from your browser URL. Um, Going to the very top of your browser and copying the link of the page that you're on at the moment is not going to work. That will just send me directly to Adobe Express login page, and I won't be able to see your work. Okay, let's get started here. Okay, I'm going to log in with my school account. I'm going to continue with Google. I'm going to click company or school account. We're going to click the plus and go down to create web page. Title it your name and portfolio. For the subtitle, your course name and your block. If you're watching this in the future and you are in a different class and have a different block, include that information. There's gonna be a plus sign here. Click photo. Don't worry about the other options. And ignore the stock work, stock content here. Upload your original work. And I've created a folder here that I have my original work in. And I'm going to choose a picture that has a lot of empty space. So use something with some negative space, something that's not going to compete with the text too much. So, and then I'm going to scroll down a little bit and it's going to give me the option to add more content. The only button we're going to use here is this right here where it says photo. And again, we're only going to use our original work. We're going to choose this picture here of a cactus first. That's my picture. I took it on vacation. And open. I'm going to name it. I gave the picture a name. I'm going to describe the elements composition I want to be graded on for this. Color, texture, and that might do it for that one. Plus, I'm going to add another photo. Let's choose this one. here. So this one is also going to be color. Let's name it Leaf Frost. All right. And symmetry. And if this had a person, I would name it. All right, and now we're going to go to, I would add, the amount of pictures that's required in the assignment. I'm going to click this share button. I'm not going to click this. I'm not going to go back to settings. I'm going to click this share button right here. The only option we're going to use is publish and share link. Please do not invite me to your portfolio. That's not the way to turn this in. You're going to publish and share the link. You're going to turn this on, type your name here. That credits you as a photographer. If you need to pick a category, education or photography both work. And you're going to create a link. You're going to copy this link and you're going to submit that link on Canvas. Do not worry about the options here. You don't need to email me the link. You just need to copy that link and submit it on Canvas using the website URL. Now, one other thing I want to mention before we go is if you copy this and paste it into the URL in Canvas, I will not be able to see your work. It will just take me to the Adobe Express homepage, and I will not see your work. So what I suggest is once you get that publish link, test that out on your personal email account or a parent or a classmate and see if they can see your portfolio. If not, then go back and try it again, reread the export instructions. Good luck. I can't wait to see your work.